Hi, I'm Todd Maltzon, real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway, and welcome to my virtual open house of 1929 Kedron Cir here in Fort Collins, Colorado. I thought we'd start the tour outside here just looking at the golf course. As you enter Adriel Hills, you'll see these massive evergreen trees that are behind me, a row of them, which just makes for a beautiful entrance followed with a golf course here. So let's go check out the house next. Here we are in the front of 1929 Kedron Cir, an in-unit townhome where you can see it's got amazing, meticulously landscaped green area on the south side of it and also behind the home on the southwest side. Let's go and check out the inside now. As we enter 1929 Kedron Cir, you notice that it's got a unique floor plan. It's a tri-level with two landing spaces here at the main level where it's got a coat closet, but one side leads downstairs and the other side leads up here to the main floor, which has got amazing views of the mountains and foothills, the green space behind it, all the mature landscaping, and it's got trails where you can go walk on and run on. As a matter of fact, I've seen people riding horseback back here, but it's just a beautiful area to enjoy right out your back door. Now let's head upstairs to check out the master bedroom. And you can see on this second landing here, you could use this for a library. It's also got amazing views of the mature landscaping and green space, along with another area here that could be used as an office or just a reading room or something. And then we've got the master bathroom here, which has been nicely updated. Followed into the master bedroom, where again you've got gorgeous views of mature landscaping and the green space behind it. Now let's head downstairs where you can see the second and third bedroom as well as the laundry room. And what I love about this area is that you've got walkout basement with both rooms, which is great. Here's the bathroom, along with the laundry room. Great cabinet space, along with the basin. And then here are the bedrooms that lead out to, of course, this beautiful green space, which feels like your massive backyard or like you're on a golf course. And then we'll go into the third bedroom here. Again, a decent sized room, decent sized closet space, and your own little private oasis to read a book, paint a picture, do whatever. So, thanks for joining me on my virtual open house tour at 1929 Kedron Cir here in Fort Collins, Colorado. If you have any questions about the property or if you'd like to go see it, just give me a call at 970-286-5390. Again, I'm Todd Maltzon, real estate agent with Berkshire Hathaway, and thanks so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day.